Hey guys, it's Sophie from Just Fabrics, and today we're going to show you how to make your very own Christmas stocking. So what you'll need for this make is a stocking stencil, 2 contrasting fabrics, some marker pens or tailor's chalk, a tape measure, some pins and some scissors. So first you'll need to use the template to cut out your stocking pieces. Pin the template in place and then cut around it. And for each fabric you'll need to cut out a left and a right side. Now we're going to cut out the contrasting fabric in exactly the same way. So the next thing you want to do is match up one lining piece with one outer piece. So take the pieces that match the direction of the toes, pin along the top edge. So you'll need to stitch along the top edges here and then press the seam. The next step you need to do is to stitch these 2 pieces together. So make sure that it's both colours aligned. So you've got your lining side and your face fabric side. And what you want to do is pin all the way around the edge, and we'll leave a gap just here to turn it inside out once we've sewn it. So you need to take the stocking and use the gap that you created to turn all of the edges inside out. So the next step will be to fold in the slit that you'd made to turn it the right way out and stitch over this. So now you want to take the lining side of your stocking and feed it through into the other side of your stocking so it acts as a lining. And for the finishing touch, you want to fold over a tiny bit of your lining so that you have a contrast trim, and you can also stitch a piece of ribbon into the corner so that it can be hung up in your house. And now you have your very own Christmas stocking. We hope you enjoyed this make today, guys, and we've got lots more Christmas makes coming. You can find these on the website, where you can also find all our Christmas collection, and these are available online and in store.